Fire Master here, and when I joined, I got a lot and lots of points from last time we played. And when the build got done, I killed a big guy, so yeah, let's get started. And last time we died, and as I looked up, you can get more health. So I'm gonna go with green one, because I don't have that much money. Whoop over their boots! Oh, freak my life. Oh, shoot! Oh my god. Stop that. He did play with us. He freaking scared the daylights out of me. Gotta hide. Lose it in health. Go back! Sit down. Ooh, dodged. Dodge. Oh wait, he's dead already. They're all not now. Guys, what are y'all shooting at? Oh. Tell me there was a guy right here. I could have got him already. Hey, die. You won't open? This one over here. Kobe! Oh, that wasn't good. That was good. Grenade out! Butt up. Hey. Beep. Boop. Bop. Second bullets. Where, who, what? Oh, that's what I was doing. Oh, wait. I see your big head. What are you doing? Oh, wait, we're going this way. Okay, I'm gonna die. Take him out for me. Y'all guys suck. Jesus. How did y'all get here? Freaking heck. I have to take them all out, and you're just like not killing them all the way. Think of a game plan. Take the hardest one out. Oh, mama! Oh, mama! Freak off! Oh. Did you just shoot me? Slow motion that, son? He's down! Woohoo! Yeah! There's a lot. Well, guys, I forgot to say, I'm sorry if the frame's lagging, because this is a really big game, so it's gonna mess with my recorder. So if I start lagging, I'm sorry. So yeah, this is so a big game. Whoa, what the freak was that? That guy's legit saw that. I mean, over here, this guy like flies out of here. Crap. Okay, we got this. We got this. I don't need to get my head down. Slow motion, sucker. It's gonna pop up behind me, isn't it? Yep. What's up, dude? Where are you shooting at? Oh, what the? The stingers. I think I got one. Could be more. I know there is. I'm not alone. If I was back to life. You son of a gun, he ran. Stinger? I'm watching. Ow. I bit my lip. Oh, he's right there! Hope that Stinger died. Crap! That was retarded of me.
Keep your heads down and contact! 12 o'clock! There's your incoming! Get down! Get down! You think they spotted us?
How? Hold up. Why did you say that, man? Of course he spotted us. Fucking idiots. Yeah, of course it is. Spot us. Ding dong. Okay, watching the sky. Why don't y'all come over here? It's safe over here because it's just targeting y'all. Kobe! Slow motion, suckers. Y'all down? Oh! Oh! Oh no! Go away. Okay. Is that all of them? Nope.
Oh, made it. You seem surprised.
Oh, weird.
Yeah. Well, suddenly every breath I take surprises me. I don't know. Between a couple of old dogs, Commander, it just gets to you sometimes, you know? Wiggles its way in, and suddenly you're just a rookie all over. Not sure which way is west, and if you're ever gonna taste your mom's chicken pot pie again. You know what I mean?
No, I do not know what you mean.
Right. Well, unless you got any objections, Commander, I'm voting we split up. Deal with this mess faster. The first tower's on top of this building.
Oh!
Second one's just a couple blocks down the road. Reckon you and Chow can take care of this tower here, while Wilcox and I take care of the second one? Sounds like a plan. This elevator ought to take you to the top of the building. Once you're up there, Chow will know what to do. All right, let's do this.
But he's an
Good luck,
engineer.
Commander. Give him hell. You too, sir.
Don't get it. Yeah, you just hold on. You hold on to the outside. What? I think I blocked him. I blocked him from coming in, I think. Oh, heck. Whoa, whoa.
Here's the tower.
What
I'm
the
gonna
heck?
need a couple minutes to get it back online. Do your thing, Private. I got your back.
Hey, you doing your thing. Don't you leave me behind my back.
Damn it, we're spotted.
Of course we're gonna spot it. We never get not spotted. If we don't get spotted, that'd be a surprise for me. Oh, what the heck? There's singing at you. What the heck?
Now, how you doing back there?
What are you, bees?
Commander, just keep it off like that.
I'm trying my hardest, but there's so many. This thing has flesh on them. Y'all wanna go too? I'm getting you. I got... Oh, stop stinging me. You little fat piece of crap. There's blood on that. Oh, dodged their stings. There's a gun right here.
Booyah, got it.
They got it. Okay, let's go. Oh, I was thinking about going down here, but I didn't know I have to. Ah! I said it on for Nate and that'd be the epic. Oh, hey! Direct! Direct! Oh, is that my team? Oh, dang! Sacrificed his own self to kill all now. Stop it. Slow motion. Dude, I'm over here, you ding dong. You guys saw him? He was shooting out there. Where was it?
I'm alright, sir. Where are you?
Come on, open the door for me.
There's a door and it's
Is it hard to open? Here, let me help you out. Oh, I did not see that coming. And plus I forgot I don't have that push thing. That. Got him.
Let's go. Ashley,
Where you going? We're gonna go.
Warden to Actual. Do you read?
You're correct. I'm gonna go this way now.
Actual, please respond.
This is Actual. Identify
I figured I know what's gonna happen.
This is Commander Cal Ward.
Run right into there, and you did. I haven't seen all the games. Stop it.
Crash landing. Teamed up with Echo and got one of your central array towers back. Elena, what the hell?
What a team. Look at me go. I'm like a mouse.
Careful, Private. They've
Whoa.
got mounted guns out there.
I know how to do this as I watched this on a video. I know how to scroll my guns now. You dead. And you dead. Sniper style. Ah! Ah! Suck at all these bullets. I suck at this gun. Wait. Got you. Got you. That was easy.
Hang back. I'll deal with it.
He's just in here. Stopper! He's stopper! Oh, he's sniper! I'm gonna get shot at. There's something right there. What am I getting shot at? Oh, hey! Oh, there's Flash! Oh! I'm gonna get you with a shotgun now. Where are you? The freak! Where is he? I can hear him. I can hear him. Where is he? Hello? Where'd you go? I see his guns, but where are they? What the freak? Okay, this ain't fair. Where is he? Is this legit over there? Is this legit right there? He ain't right here. What are you shooting at, you idiot? Ow! Really? Let's get on that wall. You little piece of crap. I hope I kill you now. I hope that bullet went into your heart. Oh, you don't have one. Are you serious? Is that a legit nerd guy up there? Where is he? You're such an idiot. Or the guy. Is he here? Behind that wall? Oh, I'm just gonna go ahead. Go. Ah, what the? What the who? Oh, you little.
This is Echo 1. Anybody read me? Over.
This is Ward. What's your status, Echo 1?
Mission accomplished.
Oh, like a
Sector tower
mouse.
is back online. Can't get through to Axel though.
I can hear the alarm in the background.
Base is under siege.
Ooh, it's like I'm not gonna hear the alarm in real life.
We're going to capture right out of here.
God! Ugh! And plus, how did the sniper rifle didn't kill me so fast? Alright, we're gonna get these guys with a sniper rifle. Let's pull out the sniper. Boom! 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 Boom!
I never saw that coming.
Yeah, they didn't see that coming. They made me angry. Can you guys hear the alarm in the background in this game? Sorry if I talk so much. Y'all can't hear it. Sniper will do. It's saying shoot these, so I'm shooting them. Ah, this is so hard. I'm gonna waste all my guns on these. Got one. It'll take for a while. I finally got it. Finally got it. Alright. Well, I finally got it. It took for a very, 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 very long time. Slow motion style, son. Oh, I killed every single one. That was epic. Oh, hey.
Almost there, Sergeant.
Oh, I almost fell down. Kobe. Ah. Loading in the game, cause it's a new one. It's gonna take for a while. There it is. Did he just say Ugly's dead ahead? Makes sense. Hiya! Hiya!
Commander, over here.
I know, I'm right here. You dog.
Never better. What's the plan?
Plan is to leg it back to the base as fast as we can.
You had me at back to base. Wilcox, you're on point. Let's move. Sir.
Yeah, so wait, I'm so I thought I was not wait, what? What? Oh, I have to go over here, okay. Hiya! Oh, hiya! Yeah. We're good. Ow, what the? You wanna go? I'm getting to it. Anybody want more? Wait, is that for me? Yes, it is. I want that. Am I supposed to push it? Oh, there it goes. Yeah. Oh, now I get to push that thing. It went too fast away. I was looking at these guys to kill. Let's see. Oh, he's right there. I still have a sniper rifle. No, I do not. So it's gotta use my big gun. Ah! I can't hit like this. This is dumb. Let's take this guy out. Yeah. Give me your gun. Got him in the head. Yes, I do get to push it now. I don't want to hold it down and do it now. Oh, hey, buddy. Can you take us to... Wait, what? Is that evil? Yes, it is. Holy shoot. I legit thought that was not evil. Ah! Die. Can I slide under him? No, I cannot. I was going to try to slide under him to make him confused. No. No. Oh, oh, oh. Really? Die! Die! How is the bullets killing these robots? Ah! Stay and I'll die! Ow. How is this not killing me all the way? No, you die now. Oh, don't you step on me. No steppy steps. Ah! I got him with a pistol. I whooped his butt with a pistol. Push. Wait, question. Can I close the thing back up? No, I cannot. Let's go do that so the robot does not come behind me. Give me your stupid gun. Nice, is it a sniper here? Yeah, the sniper killed his own guy, that's why. Wait, there's a back area over here, I wanna go see. Oh, I freaked out there for a minute. Yeah, y'all follow me if y'all want to. I'm just going around here to see what's on this corner. Oh, that's surprising. Oh, grenade! You cannot have enough grenades. Whoa, why did I go off? Oh my god, I think I pushed the button. Yeah! Get out of my place! Oh! You scared me. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. 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 Shove my own teammate. Whoa, I saw him. He's flying. I see him. So you can see the... Oh, but his invisibleness. I don't see him, but I heard him. Oh, that sneaky son of a gun. Ah! Go for the butt. Ah! I got them both.
Axel, this is Ward. We got eyes on the base.
Yeah, it's the base. We're done. Okay, these are walks to the base now? Oh! The stingers! Sting. Okay, let's see it. Stingers. There we go. It says stinger. It says stingers. More flesh and bone guy over here.
Come on, we're almost there.
Yeah, I'm supposed to just run to the base. That's what this same freak did.
Push through. Get behind those gates.
Looks like the gates got blown up, so I think we're not safe now.
Elena, we need to
Okay, skip this.
Okay, so let's talk.
I don't want to talk. I want to skip. Nobody cares about that. Oh wait, I beat it. Whoa, look at her. If I had more. No. No. I just want to go to the next one. What? This is all the days that I have. Can I go to this? I can go to these? Seriously? Oh my god.
Planet Boreas. Now, he and Rufus are making their way to an abandoned communication center in the hopes of discovering the location of the final Judger artifact.
Oh wait. It since I was here. Since it was here a bit ago. Every day. See. Whoa, what is this?
How'd they know about this place?
Who knows?
Cheap on board. You just have to know where to shop.
Still, it doesn't feel right. You up for a little skull busting?
Always. Looks like the Buckley's are trying to tear the joint apart. They're trying to stop us from learning the location of the artifact.
Let's talk some more trigger pulling.
That's the spirit. Let's give them hell, Cal.
Whoa, what the who? I'm trying my hardest. He's gonna be around this corner. Hold up. Let me get these guns. They're teleporting. Holy shoot, it must be that guy again. It must be the other form up there. Oh, you know, this reminds me of the Real Baggies RPG. That's gotta be in my head still. Oh, you wanna go missile versus missile? Let's try. Oh, he's right there. Oh, I got 4 of these. What the? He was dancing. He was dancing. That was amazing. Oh wait, is it good? No, these ain't good. 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 These ain't good.
There's the entrance.
Hi. So the humans on here now bad? Huh. Where's my teammate? Is he dead? No, wait, there's still more over here. I don't think I can get on here. Must be a lag. Cause I haven't got on here yet. What's that red thing? That's cool. I seriously want to know what that red thing is. Loading fast.
Now, where was that control room? Right, this way.
No way, it's a flamethrower. I'm gonna test this out. What the frick was that?
What the?
Shit, the door's blocked. I'll meet you up ahead. Go on without me.
What am I looking for?
A room with a huge screen. Keep your radio open. I'll guide you through it.
A big screen. That's gonna be hard to find, I bet. Oh! Oh! Don't do that! What the? Oh! We good now? We good. Fire's back on. Let's fix it.
Rufus, think I found the room you were talking about. The big screen says system offline.
Right. Well, first of all, we're going to have to set the antennas so they chase your signal. If Yelena can transfer the signal frequencies or dictate them to you, you can calibrate the frequency mainframe, which is in the next room. Talk it out with Yelena. I'm kind of busy here.
Yelena, do you read? I need...
I'm already on it, Commander.
Is that
Follow
room?
my markers. I'll give you the frequencies
Markers?
when we reach the mainframe.
Oh, that room. Okay. That's a big door. How do you eat this? Here's my powers. What I love the most. Fire. Is this hunting season?
Yes.
I found that mainframe.
Now all you need to do is trigger the triangulation process from the control room.
Okay, we did that already. A bit.
Oh, come on!
What's wrong, Cal?
The power just went off. Again.
What the hell did you do down there?
Nothing. The power went off after I calibrated the mainframe.
The system hasn't been started in years. Probably just overloaded. Simple restart ought to do the trick.
Uploading markers.
Good.
Markers uploaded. Freak you. Get some flamethrower. Oh, go away, go away. What the heck are you? What the heck are you? I'm dead. Crap. Okay, this one's gonna be easy. Cause I'm gonna use my rocket launcher. Definitely rocket launcher. Yep, I got it. Still got it. Suck on my pistol! Die! Jesus! That guy's strong. Oh! That's what you get when you make me scared. Don't make me scared or you die. You dead. You dead. You dead. Oh, okay, you coming? Alright then, I'll make sure you're coming. Oh, eat this. He's gonna be isn't he? Yeah! Nope. Okay, we're good. That always happens. Every time you one of these, they're always under the sticking on stairs. Really? Take off. Bad idea. That's company right there. Oh, I'm gonna die. What the who? Oh, hi. Where is he? Where is he? I heard him. I'm not gonna join. You join that. Oh, he did. He did now. Fire's back on.
That did it. Good job, mate. Antennas are up and functional. Let's see about this artifact of yours.
Seriously? It's all the way back up here. Hello? Oh no! Oh no! 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 I want his blades. I seriously want his blades. You make me scared. You don't make me scared. I'm strong. I can handle this.
Rufus, I'm back in the control room.
System
Everything seems to be up
online.
and functional. What next?
Next is you pressing the big magic button on the control panel. You can't miss it.
Big button. Oh! System online, and we got a lot of things. Science date. I don't know. Blah blah doop doop doop.
Finally.
Ask and you shall receive. See this reading over here? 10 to 1 says that's the toy for which you and your lady are looking.
Perfect. Thanks.
Let's not crack open the champagne yet. We still got a ways to go.
We?
You think I intend to slink back to my watering